Hello everyone, this is Philip. We have some important news from Peru. Very large, 13-foot waves have crashed into the coast, and 91 out of 121 ports have been closed. Almost all of the central and northern coastlines of Peru are closed until January 1st. The waves hit on December 28th and they were huge, reaching up to 13 feet high. These waves were caused by strong winds far out in the ocean, thousands of kilometers away from the United States. Amazing, isn't it? Beaches are closed to keep people safe. In some places, the waves covered walkways into the ocean and even town squares, forcing people to move to higher areas. It's a strange and frightening situation. Peru isn't the only country affected. Sadly, one person died in the coastal city of Manta, Ecuador because of these waves. The Manta Fire Department found the body, and we are thinking of everyone affected by this disaster. If you are in or near these areas, please be very careful. The Peruvian government agency responsible for emergencies announced these closures on X, the website formerly known as Twitter. If you are in Peru, stay away from the beaches and ports and listen to what local officials are saying. Pictures from Lobitos, in Talara province, show fishing boats stuck on land and the incredible power of these waves. Photographer Emmy Koch took these amazing pictures and they really show how serious this situation is. Everyone, please stay safe, watch the news for updates, and if you are safe, think about helping those who need it. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe for more updates, and always stay informed. See you next time. Goodbye.